For selecting a product dynamically, simply click on Dynamic Selection, and from here you'll be able to choose specific categories. And if I click on this drop down here, you'll be able to see all the categories available in your product. Okay, so let me just choose toys category from here. You can select multiple categories, and let me select another category, suppose, and sports. Okay, and you can also select by tags. And for selecting tags, simply click on this all tags, and you will get this drop down here, and select the tags you want. Okay, I want this toys. Okay, you can also select multiple tags at a time, but I'm selecting only one tags at a time. Okay, so you can also simply filter products from here under this product filtering. Okay, if I click on this drop down here, you'll be able to select newest products, oldest products, low price products, high price products, best selling product, top rated products. You can select any of this from here as per your needs, but I'm selecting best selling products. I want to select product from best selling products. Okay, that's how you can actually filter. So I'm just simply selecting here, and you can also click on this on sale only product. On sale only product are the products which have already the discounts going on. Okay, if you simply check this, and what this will do is show the only on sale products in your pop-up, and you can also change the number of products you have wanted to view in your pop-up. Okay, let me change the number here. I want to show only 8 products in my pop-up. Okay, so simply I'm just entering 8, and then simply scroll up and click on update, and let's open this link in a new tab, view product, and simply click on add to cart from here, add to cart, and you can see that we have only the on sale products in our pop-up. Okay, that's how easy it is to use dynamic selection features in Leo product recommendations plugin.